In this lecture, we'll see how to interface a servo motor to Arduino. Servo motor is an electric device used for precise control of angular rotation. It is used in the application which demands the precise control over the motion, like in case of robotic arm. The rotation angle of the servo motor is controlled by applying a PWM signal onto it. PWM is nothing but pulse width modulation signal. Just by varying the width of the PWM signal, we can change the rotation angle and the direction of the motor. This is the diagram of our servo motor, which contains three terminals. One is ground, which is connected to the ground of our Arduino board. The second one is VCC, which can be connected to the 5 volts of our Arduino board. And the third terminal is the control, which is connected to the distal pin. And there is a internal library to deal with this servo motor in our Arduino IDE. And the internal library name is servo. The functions used in the servo library are, the first one is, for this class we can create the object. So here, if you had written the statement such as servo my servo, this creates an object named my servo for the class of servo. And here we are using two functions, one is attach and another one is write for this created object. So my servo dot attach of pin, this function attaches the servo variable to a specified pin. So this pin refers to the pin number where our servo motor is connected to our Arduino board. The next function, my servo dot write of angle. This function is used to write the value to the servo, which controls the position of the shaft of our motor. Angle can take the values from 0 to 180 degrees. So here, this is the interface diagram, how this motor is connected to the Arduino. The ground pin of the servo motor is connected to the ground, and the 5 volts, that is power, is connected at this particular point, and the out of the motor is connected to the PWM pin, that is 9. This is the program to move the motor in one direction and then going back in another direction. So first we should include the library, that is servo.h. And as a first point, we should create one object for this class. So here the object name is servo. And we had defined two variables. One is refers to the servo pin, that is 9, which is where the servo motor is connected. And another variable is angle, which specifies the servo position in degrees. And in the setup function, we should write down the function such as servo dot attach of servo pin. This is used to connect the servo motor to this particular pin. Servo dot attach of servo pin. Next, the directions can be controlled by using the function such as servo dot write. First, we are moving our motor from 0 to 180 degrees direction. After that, we are moving the motor from 180 degrees to the 0 degrees. And to control this direction, we are passing the angle value from 0 to 180 degrees by using the function such as servo.write, and this servo.write function is written in the for loop. So this particular for loop is used to change the motor direction from 0 to 180 degrees. After the completion of this particular rotation, now we are moving our motor from 180 degrees to the 0 degrees by using this particular for loop. So overall this program is used to move the motor in one direction and then going back in another direction. Thanks for listening to class.